Ocha, look! This is me when I was in senior high school.
Wow, you look amazing. I love how confident and stylish you look. You must have been so popular back then.
Ocha, I'm curious about your school life. How was your school life? Did you enjoy it?
I was studying at Islamic Al-Falah High School Jambi. My school is very beautiful because there are a lot of green plants and trees. My school has quite complete facilities. There are a chemistry lab, physics lab, biology lab, and even a computer lab. How about you, baby?
My school life was very exciting. I was studying in YPMM Senior High School. I met many friends, best friends, good teacher. I participated in many organizations at school, such as a student council, scouts, dance, and others.
Wow, that sounds like you had a really active and engaging school life, baby. I'm a bit jealous, actually. My school life was more focused on academics, but I did enjoy participating in some extracurricular activities like the school choir and the debate team.
I can imagine you being a great debater. You seem like someone who's very articulate and confident in your opinions.
Thanks, baby. I think debating really helped me develop my public speaking skills and learn how to think on my feet. But I have to say, I'm a bit curious about your experience with the student council. What was that like?
I have been a part of the student council since middle school, and I served as the student council secretary for 3 years. It was very exhausting but also enjoyable. I managed student-related data at school, organized events and activities, and my high school years were extremely busy as a secretary.
Wow, that's amazing! I can imagine it was a lot of work, but it's great that you were able to balance your responsibilities as a student council secretary with your academic work. What was the most challenging part of being a secretary?
I think the most challenging part was managing the student-related data. We had to keep track of attendance, grades, and other important information for all the students in the school. It was a lot of work, but it was also really rewarding to see everything come together and know that I was helping to make the school run smoothly.
That makes sense. I can imagine it would be a lot of responsibility. But it's great that you were able to rise to the challenge and make a positive impact on your school. Did you have a favorite event or activity that you organized as part of the student council?
Oh, definitely. One of my favorite events was our annual school festival. We had games, food stalls, and even a concert. It was so much fun to plan and execute, and it was great to see everyone in the school come together and enjoy themselves.
Wow, that sounds like an amazing event. I'm sure it was a lot of work, but it's great that you have such fond memories of it. Did you ever think about pursuing a career in event planning or something related?
Actually, I did consider it for a while, but I ended up deciding to pursue a different path. I'm happy with the choices I made, though. How about you? Did you have any ideas about what you wanted to do after school?
Yeah, I did. I've always been interested in a language and literature, so I ended up pursuing a degree in the English department. It's been a challenging but rewarding journey so far.
That's great! It's always exciting to see people pursue their passion and interests. Do you think your experience in the debate team and choir helped prepare you for your future career?
Definitely, I think the skills I developed in those activities, such as public speaking and teamwork, have been really valuable in my studies. And I'm sure the skills you develop as a student council secretary, such as leadership and organization, will be valuable in whatever career you choose.
So, what do you hope to do with your degree in the English department? Are you interested in teaching, writing, or something else?
I'm actually considering a career in editing or publishing. I've always been interested in books and literature, and I think it would be amazing to work with authors and help bring their stories to life.
So, Ocha, what do you think is the biggest difference between being a student and being a professional in the English department?
That's a great question. I think one of the biggest differences is the level of responsibility and accountability. As a student, you're still learning and figuring things out, but as a professional, you're expected to be an expert in your field and to produce high quality work.
That makes sense. I can imagine it will be a big adjustment to go from being a student to being a professional. Do you think your experience in the debut team and chair helped prepare you for the level of responsibility that and accountability that come with being a professional?
Definitely, I think the skills I developed in those activities, such as public speaking and teamwork, have been really valuable in my professional life. And I think that experience of being part of a team and working towards a common goal has helped me to develop a strong work ethic and sense of responsibility.
Well, Ocha, it's been great catching up with you and hearing about your experiences in the English department. I'm sure you'll do great things in your career.
Thanks, baby. It was really great talking to you too, and I'm glad we could reconnect. I'm looking forward to seeing where life takes us back, and I hope our paths will cross again soon. Take care.